Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn about files in Python. A file is a collection of data stored on a secondary storage device like hard disk. They can be easily retrieved when required. Python supports two types of files. They are text files and binary files. Text files contains human-readable characters including uppercase and lowercase letters, digits, punctuations, and special symbols. They are encountered using character set like ASCII or UTF-8, making them suitable for representing text-based informations. On the other hand, binary files stores data in a non-human readable format, typically composed of zeros and ones, and are used for storing non-textual data like image, videos, or executable programs. Syntax to open a file. In Python has a built-in function called open function to open a file. This function returns file objects as it is used to read or modify the file accordingly. Two arguments that are mainly needed by the open functions, and they are file names of file path and the mode in which the file is opened. The file name contains string type value containing the name of the file which we want to access. Then the access mode. The value of access mode specifies the mode in which we want to open the file. For example, say I want to read the file, then I am going to use the read mode. If I want to create and write inside the file, then I'm going to use a write mode. And say I want both. For example, I'm going to write and read the file, then I'm going to use the append mode. Like there are more. Let's see the modes for Python files. The first one is R for open a file in a reading. In reading, it's a default. Okay, then the W, open a file for writing and it creates a new file if it doesn't exist, or truncates the file if it exists. Then X, open a file for exclusive creations if their file already exists or the operation files. Then A, open for appending file at the end of the file without truncating, creates a new file if it doesn't exist. Then the T, open in text mode, it's a default mode. Then say B, it's open in a binary mode, plus opens file for updating, reading, and writing. Guys, let's try the readf file. I'm just created a txt file named as notes.txt, and inside that I just write a sentence. The content of a file can be read by opening the file in the read mode, right? And to do this, say I'm going to create an object, a variable a equal to, then the open function. Inside it I have to put the txt name, the file name. Okay, then put comma, then you have to put the access mode, and here I'm going to put the read mode R. Okay, then simply print, then the variable a. Okay, then click and then put dot, then the read function. Then let's print it, and you will get the content of a file can be read by opening the file in read mode. Let's write inside the file. Say I'm going to create an object b equal to, then an open function. Inside it you have to put the file name. Here I already created the notes.txt, then put comma, then the mode. I'm going to type w for writing mode, then say b dot the write function. Inside it say I can write inside the file like this, then run this, and you will get process finished with exit code 0. Then let's go to notes.txt, and you will get I can write inside the code. But before the code, the w mode will overwrite into the file if it already exists. So all the previous data are erased. Let's write and create a new file using the W mode. To do this, C is my object, then the function, open function. Inside it, the file name say nodes1.txt like this, then put comma, then the W name, the W mode, which are say write mode, then say C dot the write function. Then inside it, I'm going to type like this: you can create, wait, you can create and write inside the file like this. Then let me run this, and you will get a new file name as notes.txt. Let's select this, and you will get you can create and write inside the file. And don't forget to close the file, because of Python has a garbage collector to clean up unreferenced object, so we must not rely on it to close the file. To close it, say the variable name, then put dot, then the close function, and it will free up the resource that were tried with the file and is done using the close function. In my notes1.txt, you can see a line called you can create and write inside the file. But say I'm going to create one more variable, say a equal to open. Inside it, the file name notes1.txt, then the mode is the W mode like this. Then say a dot the write function. Inside it, say save this line 2 like this 2. Then don't forget to close the file, a dot close function like this, and rerun this, and go to the notes1.txt file, and you will see save this line too. And what about the previous line? You can create and write inside the file. The W mode the W mode will overwrite into the file if it already exists. So all the previous data are erased. And to be continue the line, you need to add the a plus like this, and say it already exists wrong, and just change the content inside it. Say once again you can write and add the sentence using a plus mode like this, and run this. Let's see node.txt, and you will see save this line too, and you can write and add the sentence using a plus mode. The A plus mode, which is read and append mode, open the file for reading and writing. The file is created. If it doesn't exist, the handle is positioned at the end of the file. The data is being returned will be inserted at the end after the existing data. So if I say slash n like this, say slash backslash n like this, and rerun this, and let's go to this, and you will get another line next to line. Renaming and deleting files. Python OS has a various method that can be used to perform file processing operations such as renaming and deleting files. To use the method defined in the OS module, it should be imported in the program and then call any related function. To rename the file, you have to import a module name as OS, then call the OS function, then put dot, then the rename function like this. Then inside it you have to put the file name, say node.txt. Then I'm going to replace a new name called node123.txt like this, and run this, and you will see the node123 note.txt has been updated. Then to remove a file or delete a file, you have to call the OS function, OS module, then remove remove function or remove method. Inside it, the file name. Say I'm going to type note123.txt, then run this and it will removed. And you will see there is only one txt file in my slide bar, notes1.txt. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.